Hi, this is Dr. Green. I wanted to show you how to use the Excel distribution calculator, which can be found in the class resource folder. So let's look at some of the examples that we did from Excel Part 3 last week. So here in this first example, we were using NormDist here to find normal probabilities. We wanted the probability x is less than 30 with your mean and standard deviation. So if you go to the distribution calculator, we're doing a normal probability, so you click on that normal tab. Let's go ahead and zoom this in. Okay, and then we have to enter in our mean and standard deviation. So for us, that was 112.5. So we just key those in there, 112.5. And then we were finding probability x is less than 130, so lower tailed x less than b here. So the 130 is our b, so 130, boom, 9918, and look, that's what we got over here, 9918. So we didn't have to do the NormDist formula. For things that were greater than, remember we have to do 1 minus a NormDist. Not a problem here. So upper tailed x greater than or equal a. So you put the a in here. So for us that was the 125. So I click 125. Boom, there's our answer. 0228. And look here, 0228. Pretty cool, huh? So we can also do binomial probabilities here. So down here we had a study looking at infectious disease accuracy, and we were looking at the false positive rate of 15%. So that means that our p here was 0.15. So probability that x equals 5, we got 0.1563. That's a binomial probability. Either the test result is correct or it's not correct. Either is a false positive or it's not. So click on the binomial tab here. We need to input total trials, p, and then the x value we're looking at. This is success is equal x, less than equal, greater than equal, and then a between. So here x equals 5. We had n is 25, p is 0.15. So we put our 25 in here, 0.15 for p, and our x was 5. Bingo, 0.1564. Look here, 15637. That's 1564 rounded. So this can really save you a lot of time. A less than equal probability, that's going to be right here. So we had less than equal 7. So we're going to type in 25 for n, 0.15 for p, and then 7 was our x value. 9745, and that's what we got over here, 9745. Greater than 2, we got 7462. So strictly greater than 2, this is a greater than equal, so strictly greater than 2 is going to be greater than equal to 3, because strictly greater than 2, the next number up is 3, so we need a 25 here, a 0.15, and then a 3. And this gives us greater than 3, 7463, 74625. That's the same. Pretty cool. Just have to make sure here you're using less than equals. So you have to include the numbers. Don't know that we did a between here because we did a normal and then we did a binomial. And it'll do more than that, and we'll be doing a little bit more of that later, and I'll do some demonstrations for that too. In the meantime, save yourself some headache. Use the Excel distribution calculator going forward for normal and binomial probabilities, and that includes the midterm.